Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. I hope you are doing absolutely fine. For today's quick video tutorial, I'm going to show you how to use Dix supporting goods promo code in 2025 and how you can actually find these. For that, you need to simply come on coupons.com website where you need to use the search bar in the top and search for Dix supporting goods. Now, once you click on it, you will see these types of pop-ups on which you can get up to 50% off, 25% off, free shipping, etc. So you just have to simply select that particular deal or coupon code in which you are interested. You can even filter these out with the help of these sections, like if you are interested in deals only, you can select it, or if you are interested in free shipping only, you can select it. So let's say you want to grab this 70% off deal, so you need to simply click on the get deal option, and then it will show you this type of pop-up that would say no code is needed. But before going ahead to the store, I would recommend you to click on the terms and conditions first, and you need to read these information, like this code is working for new and existing customers. So you need to click on go to store, and it will redirect you on the official website of Dix supporting goods. Here you just have to select your favorite products, and at the time of checkout you just have to simply check whether the deal is working for you or not. Now if it isn't working for you, then I would recommend you to just come to the website again and try to find some other deals or some other coupon codes, and you just have to simply keep on trying, and you will find your best promo codes for Dix supporting goods. So this is how you can basically find Dix supporting goods promo codes in 2025. So if this video helped you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you so much for watching.